Today, I look forward to sharing with you about this lightweight, small percussion massager with the heating section as well. That's right, a 2-in-1 combination percussion massager by a company called Renpho. They did send me this to review, to share with you, and I will give you my unbiased opinion. I have reviewed Renpho products over the years, even remember going back to, I think, around 2017, doing one of their percussion massagers. So they've been around for a while and they have other products as well. Now, if you want to check this one out, it's going for right around $50 with the promo that they have. And there's over 400 reviews, and you can check that out through my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. It helps the channel, doesn't cost you any money to click on that link, so appreciate it if you do. Now, let's talk about what is included. You got the massager. It does have the foam ball massage head, plus it has 3 others, and you also have the Type-C cable. There is an O-ring that comes on there, so that helps keep the massage head in the massager. You do have this pouch, so you can put that in the pouch and get rid of the box if that's what you want. It does have this quick start guide that you could refer to. And then it also has this user manual, and it even shows you in here the massage heads and what body parts to use those for. So let's go ahead and talk about this 2-in-1 function. So first, you've got the massage part, and then this side can get hot. In fact, it gets up to 114 degrees, so it's pretty interesting. But let me first show you how to turn on for the massage, and then I'll show you how for the heat. So the button here controls both. To turn the massage part on, you press and hold that in for a couple seconds, and now you could see the massager's on. It does color code here as well based on the speeds. So speed 1 is 1800 RPMs. So now that is speed 2 at 2300, and that's yellow. And speed 3, which is red, that's 2800. It's a brushless motor. It's not overly loud, and you do feel a little bit of vibration in the hand. But again, what I like about this, it is lightweight. It only weighs 0.7 pounds, so it's not that heavy. You press it again, it goes back to that next speed, back to the beginning, because it's 3 speeds. Turn it off, you press the button for a couple seconds, and it turns it off. To turn the heat on, you're gonna double press the button, and now you can see it's got the light. So for the heat, it's got 3 temperature levels. This is 100 degrees, this is 107 degrees, and then 114. And within seconds, it already feels pretty warm. And it's really cool. You can really feels good on the skin. So if you've got that joint issue that's bothering you, or you got something on your neck here, that does feel good. So this combination, it's kind of neat that they've added that. Now, if you want to turn that off, you just actually, to get out of that mode, you press and hold the button in. Again, you press it once, it goes through those different modes. Now, as far as charging, let's talk about battery life. It does take 4 hours of charging time, and you can get 4 to 7 hours depending upon what speed. Also, the heat's going to use up some of that battery life as well. So a lot of variables. It does have a 10-minute auto shut-off. So if you are using it and you have it in that mode, it will shut off after 10 minutes. But you can get quite a bit of massaging time with it. And so, you can really work. If this is for yourself, definitely obviously can work your entire body with this. If you are wanting to use this with someone else, this could work certainly as well. It says it is an 18-pound stall force. So you can see on level 1, it doesn't take a whole lot for it to stop. So that's at level 1. Let me put on level 2. So it doesn't, that's just to give you an idea, just so you can see. So keep in mind that this is a lighter weight massager, and so it's not meant for very deep penetrating massaging. I do notice it has a good vibration, but as far as penetrating deep into your muscle, I feel it's more like a good vibration massager more than a deep massager. So if you are looking for one that is not going to break the bank, but also to give you a little bit of a massage, but not penetrating too deep in your skin and your muscle, then this is the way to go. But if you are looking for one that's going to be a deep penetrating one, I'd probably look at some others. And as far as the massage heads, so we got the ball head. This is good for large muscle groups, very popular, and it's foam. So that is this one. The next one here, we've got the bullet. Now this is a rubberized material with it covered over the plastic. This is good for joints, for deep tissue, for trigger points. So that could be a good way to go. And you could see this is level 2 and level 3. So great way to like work if you have tennis elbow or you have a pain from working out. Good way to go. If you got a little pain in that part of your knee, again, great way to go. Or like sometimes I might get like a knot in my neck. That could be a great way to go. Again, it feels like a nice vibration feel, but it's not a deep penetrating feel. All right, so we're gonna talk about this next massage head. This is the U-shaped, which is, again, if you've seen other percussion massagers, these are all very common to see in massagers, but this is great for the spine, this is great for the neck, Achilles tendon, so that is what that massage head is for. And the last one is the flat head, and this is for all body parts. You can certainly go with that way as well. Again, this is rubberized as well, and the very tip of the U-shaped head is rubberized with plastic that it's covering. So this could be a great way to go as well. And so depending upon, how much you want to feel that massage, will depend upon what the speed and the massage head and all. But overall, a decent massager. For me, I like it a little bit deeper into the muscle. This may work for that heat function, which might be nice, but for me, a little bit disappointing as compared to other percussion massagers. But for some people that, again, don't want to break the bank, want some sort of vibration type of massage feel, then check this one out. Let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate the company sending it to me, and I hope that this gives you the pain relief that you're looking for. All right, everybody, have a great day and stay healthy.